Guru bina gat nahi, Shah bina pat nahi. As you know, according to these lines are telling us the importance of teacher. Teacher is a guru, teacher is a philosopher, teacher is a guide. So today it's a Teacher's Day. I salute, I congratulate to all my sparkling family, all my sparkling teachers, a very, very happy Teacher's Day. So you know about the importance of teachers and Teachers Day because you belong to this category. As our second Guru, Sikh Guru, Guru Angad Dev Ji spoke very good lines about the importance of Guru. जेसो चंदा उगबै सूरज चढ़े हजार एते चानण हुंदियां गुरविन घोर अंधार. So according to Indian culture, Indian philosophy, Guru is having a very important role in one's life. So today, as you know, every year we are celebrating Teachers Day on the birth date of our Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan. 5th September, every year we are celebrating Teachers Day. So in India, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September on Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan's birth anniversary. So once a time, Dr. Radhakrishnan students, they asked Doctor, Sir, we want to celebrate your birthday. So Dr. Radhakrishnan told them that I will feel very happy if this day will be celebrated as a Teacher's Day every year. So from that time till today, celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan as a Teacher's Day because he was a great teacher, he was a great philosopher, he was a great educationist, he was a great writer. Now in all countries of world, the day Teachers Day is celebrated, but the dates are different. The UNESCO also given the importance to the teacher. So now the whole world is celebrating Teachers Day on different dates. So teacher is not only that personality which is giving the academic knowledge to the student. Teacher is that personality which is shaping the future of the child. Teacher is having a vital role in the creation of the child's personality. As you know, teacher is supposed to give the academics to the student. What a good teacher is that teacher who is not only giving the academic knowledge to the student, but he is making the personality of the child. He is telling the moral values to the child. He knows everything about the child as mother knows about the child. So teacher is the second mother of the child. As students are coming to school, so the parents are sending in the hands of the teachers for the creation of their future. So you know your importance, you know everything. Educational institutions, where are you working, that are shaping the personality of the child. So you are not supposed to make the child academically strong, you are supposed to make the child to fit in a better manner in the life. So most of the teachers are doing their work in a very good manner. I hope that others, those who are not in this manner doing their work, they will be very soon, they will also make their plans accordingly. Teacher is such type of personality which is never demanding any gift from the children. So teacher is demanding from the children, teacher wants from their students that they should get settled in their life. Whatever the teachers are demanding, they never demand gifts. The most important gift is for teacher is that only if when their student will be settled in their life. So students should give much respect to their teachers. Student should not disrespect from any part to their teachers. So many of the teachers, they are doing much hard work. They are shaping the personality of the students. In today's era, when COVID caught the whole world, we are under pandemic. So in this time, teachers started online education. Teachers, they are trying to give the best to the student. Students are sitting far from the teacher. Even then, teachers are giving them much more as comparative to live classes as they were giving earlier to the students. So they are trying, they are calling, they are concerning personally with the students. Their concern is students should not be in loss. So Sparkling family is also doing their best. So today I am congratulate to all my teachers for this day, not specially for this day, for their success in this era. They got success. They are giving much better to the students. So congratulate to all my teachers. So teachers, they are giving their best. They are trying. So now it's a students' turn. They must give their best results. Then only teachers will feel happy. Then only teachers will be feeling that yes, I did something. So whatsoever we planned from the school side, my teachers, my team, my colleagues, they are trying to complete, they are trying to get the success in every field. So most of our team members, they got the 100% enrollment also in their classes. So I hope that they will give us the best results also in this year, as we are giving every year the best results to this area. So on today's Teachers Day behalf, I am also a teacher. I congratulate to all teachers, not only to Sparkling family, to all teachers, happy Teachers Day. And I hope from Sparkling family that they will be the best teachers, they will be the best mentors, they will be the best guide. Their students should get settled in their life, not only in academic, but they will prove their self in every part of life. So again, happy Teachers Day. God bless you. So cherish your day. God bless you. Thank you.